Close eye on a hurricane that forecasters are warning could be catastrophic. Overnight, Hurricane Patricia became the strongest storm ever measured. It's currently moving toward Mexico's coast. Early this morning, the Category 5's maximum sustained winds increased to nearly 200 miles per hour. The U.S. National Hurricane Center is predicting that potentially catastrophic landfall in southwestern Mexico later today. And right now, we want to keep Ellen Baca here and talk about this storm. I mean, sustained winds over 200 miles an hour, the strongest storm ever on record, and millions of people in the way of this.
Absolutely. There are a lot of resort towns in the Mexican state of Jalisco where it is headed later on today. This is an impressive storm. It's a strong storm, and it does look like it's going to be the strongest ever to make landfall in terms of both hurricanes and typhoons. So I wanted to zoom out here so you could see it and put it in perspective. You can see it centered on the southwestern side of Mexico there, and if we zoom in on it so you can actually see the structure of this storm, it has a very defined eye, has very strong winds with it. It does look like it might downgrade just a touch before landfall, but still winds up near 200 miles per hour. We're anticipating massive storm surge, flooding, and also, I mean, if you think about how much destruction we see with even a small tornado, and that's with winds of 100 miles per hour. This is near 200 miles per hour. So even a little weakening is not going to do much good. I have a feeling that this is going to be catastrophic. And again, this is all coming together today.
Sure, this all happened overnight.
Right.
This was just a tropical storm yesterday.
24 hours, it intensified from a tropical storm to a hurricane. This is, I think, only the second hurricane since the satellite era to ever do that, to have that sort of intensification in just 24 hours.
And Manzillo right in the way, and they're saying potentially 39-foot waves could hit the coast.
Surge is usually the biggest impact. People think of the wind, but it's the surge that people are going to have to watch for. This is not going to be good news.
Okay, we'll keep our eyes on that. Thanks, Ellen.
Thank you, Ellen. The race for